Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel! Today we're diving into the exciting world of virtualization and network planning. But before we're gonna jump into the installation process, we need to create a solid plan. Why is planning so crucial, you ask? Well, without a plan, implementing of any kind of change can lead to a ton of rework and unnecessary hassle. Alright, so let's get started. First up, we have our Lenovo M92P hardware. Now, installing the hypervisor can sound like a walk in the park. But hold on! There are a few critical steps to consider beyond the installation itself. Let's take a look at those important prerequisites. Step 1. Have you figured out where the hypervisor will reside inside your network? It's very important to determine its optimal location. Step 2. How will you connect to your hypervisor remotely? Having a clear remote access plan is very essential. Step 3. And here's the crucial one. How will you obtain the operating systems for your virtual machines? Let's not overlook this step. Now that we covered those important preliminary steps, let's quickly go over our plan together. Here is our network setup. We have an ISP internet connection connected to the router, which is in turn connected to a switch. And here we have our trusty Lenovo M92P also connected to the same switch. Our router has the IP address of 192.168.1.1 and the switch is assigned the IP address of 192.168.1.11. But what about Lenovo? Once we install the hypervisor, it will need its own IP address, right? Let's assign it 192.168.1.21. Of course, that's not all. How do you plan to manage it remotely? Well, your trusty laptop or even the calculator will do the trick. Let's assign the IP address of your management device as 192.168.1.31. For XCP-ng, we will need a network share with storage for ISO files. Let's assign the IP address of that storage as 192.168.1.41. And lastly, to easily manage our XCP-ng hypervisor once it's installed, we will need the XCP-ng Center app. We'll conveniently place it on our calculator. Now let's plan how our virtual machines will fit in our network. Our first virtual machine will be PFSense, serving as the firewall and the router, and eventually will replace our existing router. Once it's in place, we'll assign its IP address as 192.168.1.1 and the router will rest in closet.
Hasta la baby vista. Hasta la lovely.
Our secondary virtual machine will be running the latest version of Debian Bullseye. Why? Well, just because! We also will be installing the DNS service, PiHole as a container on this machine. So it's gonna be awesome addition to our network. Alright folks, that's our plan. Now it's time to put it into the action. Let's dive right in. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting tech video content, then you should watch my next video. I want you to put the like for this video because it's a small click for you, but for me it means a lot. Thank you.